Patni numbers came out. Sunita Nagpal is here to give us a quick synopsis of how the quarter went by. Sunita, I believe the exchange rate had to play a bit with how the revenue shaped up.
Well, that was expected, but the numbers were below our expectation. We were expecting volumes to grow by roughly about 2% in this quarter, but that has not played out. If you look at even in dollar terms, the revenues are down roughly about 5%, and if you convert in because of the currency rates, the further fall is in the in rupee terms also. The revenues are lower by nearly 9%, which is way below our expectation of roughly about 1,005 crore rupees of revenue that we were expecting. The company has only posted roughly about 938 crore rupees. Margins have come under pressure substantially. We don't know the reason why this expenses have gone up in this quarter, but if you look at the margins have come down by 153 basis points. We were expecting margins to come roughly to decline by roughly about 60 basis points, largely because of the currency impact, but the decline is much sharper than what we were expecting. So that's one other thing that has played out in the numbers, and that's why you're seeing the net profit has declined by roughly about 17.5 times. So currency the unfavorable movement of currency as well as the cost going up this quarter has basically played out, and that's why you're seeing the revenues and the net profit are coming way below our expectations. But if you look at the stock price, the main driver as such was the delisting process that was happening, and that is gone through, as you heard the management yesterday, and they had said they accepting the 520 rupees price for the delisting. So that's what has been played out, and that will keep the stock active for some time and will maintain at these levels. But the disappointment in the results is clearly visible in Q1, and that's what Finish has hinted at yesterday, also saying that the Q1 has been soft, but he's expecting that next 3 quarters will play out much better than what the Q1 has been.